Welcome to my channel. Subscribe, like and share. This is Rudraksha Diksha kit which is given by Isha Yoga Center. So let's see what all inside the Rudraksha Diksha kit. See, this is Rudraksha Diksha which is given in different types of language, Adiyogi image and Rudraksha conditioning guidelines and some FAQs. Okay, so let's see. Still we have some more things inside the kit. So this is Vibhuti and this is the sacred Rudrakshas. So in this kit we have got 3 sacred Rudraksha. This concentrated bead is a powerful instrument to become accessible to the grace of Adiyogi. You can string it with the provided thread and wear it around the neck. It will aid in physical and mental health, assist in meditation, cleanse the aura and provide protection against negative energies. Sadhguru has offered a sadhana to accompany the Rudraksha Diksha. Okay, so you must be seeing I'm just opening the Rudraksha beads. This is the third Rudraksha. That is Abhaya sutra. The black color which you guys are seeing, that is Abhaya sutra. That is specially concentrated thread tied around one's wrist. They have neatly designed. I like very much this kit. Whatever they have given in this kit, it's very good. And this is Adiyogi image, the first yogi who transmitted the yogi sciences, expounding 112 ways to attain one ultimate nature. So this is Rudraksha conditioning guidelines. How to condition a new Rudraksha, what is the best vessel to store or condition Rudraksha, and some FAQs which is given. And this is Rudraksha Dikshas, so what all it contains. So they have given the information in English, Hindi, Malayalam, Tamil, Kannada and Telugu. So you can just read it. So how to use, so what is the use of this kit. So they have given with a brief information. Also they have given their link so that you can find out some much more information to it. And the Vibhuti concentrated in Dhyana Linga. This sacred ash enhances one's spiritual receptivity when applied on the body. Yes, the Vibhuti. So you can see the whole kit. Thank you.